Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to teach you guys some basic Makeup 101 tips. And first we're going to go over how to contour and highlight using powder products. Powder is a great way to get your feet in the water before you step into the more advanced stuff like cream contouring and stuff. One of the great things about powder contouring and highlighting, whatever, is that you can be a little messy. You don't have to be so precise because it's easier to blend out. You can use less product. You can control it a lot easier than the cream contour stuff. And plus, it's a lot faster, honey. So if you don't got time to do all that cream contour stuff and all that setting powder and all that jazz, then you just do the powder. If you guys want to see how I do some basic contouring and highlighting, please keep watching. Hey guys, so we're going to use this chart for reference here. So when you're contouring, we're going to make a basic 3. We're going to go up on your forehead, underneath your cheekbones, and under your jawline. That's the basic contour lines. For highlighting, it is on your forehead, the tip of the nose, and then the chin, and then the tops of the cheekbones. This is where you want to bring the light to your face. Contouring is the shadows. For contouring, I like to use a nice dense fluffy brush. This will help accentuate my cheekbones more and help carve it out even more. It's nice and flat at the top. I don't want that product to move. Whereas the opposite, for highlighting, I want a nice fan brush. I want the product to be evenly distributed throughout my face. I don't want it super harsh. So for this video, I'm going to be using bronzers. You can either use a sparkly one by Physicians Formula, or I have this matte one here. I'm going to be using the matte one for today. Honestly, if you don't want to be sparkly, it's up to you. So I'm taking that dense fluffy brush and going underneath my cheekbones to accentuate it, and I'm going in baby circles starting from the back towards the ear and working my way up slowly, pushing the product to the front of the cheekbone and rounding out that cheekbone towards the front like so. Simple as that. And if you mess up, take some powder foundation and just go over top of it with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going in more circles up at the top, just rounding it out, blending it into my hairline, because you do not want any harsh lines, especially since I am fair. I want everything to be blended out. Same with the bottom of my jawline. Lots of circles. I even go down onto the neck a little bit, even up towards the ear. Make sure that everything is blended, because we're working with darker tones here. You do not want any harsh lines at all. I'm going way down just because I do not like to take any chances here. Next up, I'm taking this beautiful eyeshadow by Make, and I'm actually using this as a highlighter. So from taking that fan brush and I'm going on the tops of my cheekbones, the higher you go, the better, and then I'm actually going up towards my temples. This is where I want the light to hit my face. I'm not a big highlighter person because I do tend to get a little bit oily, but this one I really like because it is just super light and almost looks like I'm glowing from within. This is great for pictures. I also like to hit the tops of my nose and above my lip right there. Those are really pretty. You can hit the top of your forehead too, but since I am oily, I choose not to. So that is all I have to say for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed and learned just a little bit about the basics of highlighting and contouring. Alright you guys, so that concludes this little tutorial. I hope that you guys learned something new. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Tag me in any of your recreations or any of your tips and tricks or what you'd like to see me do in the next video in any of my social media listed at the end of this video and in the description box below. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of words to say. I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next, what are you about to say? Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.